Good morning, everyone. Grade 3 Math, first term 2021-22. We will use, our revision and exercises on adding and subtracting large numbers. Now, let's go to remember our addition and subtraction strategies. We learned it before in primary 2. We learned multi of strategies like money, models, without regrouping and with regrouping, and our carry up and borrowing strategies. We can use all of these strategies to find our addition and subtraction problems. Okay, first strategy here we will remember decomposing way without regrouping using models. In the first exercise, 234 plus 125. It will be using our models. We will draw using your pencils and draw. Here we have 2 in hundredths place, 3 in tenths place, and 4 in ones place. Second number here we have 1 in hundredths place, 2 in tenths place, and 5 in ones place. To find the result of this addition equation, we have to begin from ones place. Count how many ones in both of these sides. It will be 9. Or put the bigger number in your mind and put the smaller number of your fingers and count. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be 9 ones. Now let's go to tens place. Here we have 3 pairs of tens and 2 pairs of tens. Then count 3 plus 2 equal 5. It will be 5 pairs of 10. Here we have in hundredths place, we have 2 here, 200s here, and 100s here. Then it will be 300. This number is called what? We have 9 in ones, 5 in tens, and 3 in hundreds. This number is called, 9 and 5 and 3. It will be 359. 359. Good job. Let's go to another exercise using subtraction. We have here 467 minus 217. Using our, modeling map, it will be like this. We will draw the bigger number here. Just draw the bigger number here. We have 4 hundredths, 6 tenths, and 7 ones. After we draw the bigger number, we just cancel the smaller number from it, beginning from ones place. Here we have in ones place, 7. We want to take away 7 from this 7. Then we will cancel all of these elements. Okay, the rest will be how many ones here? It will be 0. Then we will draw no ones here. Let's go to tens place. Here we want to take away 1 from 6. Then we will cancel how many part out of 6? Just 1 part only. Then the rest will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. Okay, then in hundredths place we have here, we want to take away 2 from 4. Out of 4, then we will cancel 2 hundredths only. The rest will be 2. Then let's go to draw our rest here. We have no ones, just 5 tenths and 2 hundredths. This number is called what? It will be 0 ones, 5 tenths, and 2 hundredths. This number is called 250. This strategy of modeling without regrouping. Next one, we have decomposing way without regrouping, but using expanded form. Like this, we want to expand each number to its values, then put among them plus, then add or subtract. Like this. This number is called 163 plus 422. If we use our expanded form for each number of these numbers, like this, using our square copy, write the first number here, 100 plus 60 plus 3. Then put plus here and put the other number. It will be 400 plus 20 plus 2. To add, begin from ones place. 3 plus 2 equals what? Equals 5. 60 plus 20 equals what? Equals 80 plus 100 plus 400 equals what? Equals 500. Then combine the expanded form again to standard form. 500 plus 80 plus 5, it will be 585. Let's go to another exercise. 956 minus 302 using our copy square. Okay, let's go to expand each number here. The first number, it will be 900 plus 50 plus 6 minus 300 plus 0 plus 2, because tens place here is 0, then we will put 0 only. Then subtract beginning from ones place. 6 minus 2 equals what? Excellent, equals 4, plus 50 minus 0 equals 50, as it is, plus 900 minus 300. If we take away 300 from 900, the rest will be 600 only. Then combine again this expanded form to standard form. It will be 4 in ones, 5 in tens, and 6 in hundreds. This number is called 654. Good job. All of these strategies for without regrouping. Now, let's go. Mental math strategy 2. Without carry up or borrow. Without any carry up or borrow. Just use your mind and your fingers, or your 120 chart, or your number line. Like this. First exercise, 234 plus 125. If we use, yes, our squares copy, write this number from horizontal way to vertical way. Put ones and ones together, and tens together, and hundreds and hundreds together. Then put plus, then add, beginning from ones place. 4 plus 5. Put 5 in your mind and 4 in your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be 9 in ones place. And in tens place, 3 plus 2. Put 3 in your mind and 2 in your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. It will be 5 only. In hundreds place, 2 plus 1, it will be 3. This number is called 359. Here we have another exercise, 467 minus 217. To find the result here, we can use our vertical form. Write this number ones and ones together, tens and tens together, and hundreds together, and put minus sign. Beginning from ones place, 7 minus 7, it will be 0. 6 minus 1, count after 1 until you reach 6. It will be 5. Then 4 minus 2, count after 2 until you reach 4. It will be 2. This number is called 250. Okay, let's go to another strategy, decomposing way using models, but here with regrouping. We will regroup elements to find our result in right way, like this example, 379 plus 413. First of all, we will draw our modeling for each number. We have 3 hundreds, 7 tenths, and 9 ones. Here we have the other number, 4 hundreds, 1 tenth, and 3 ones. Let's now go to collect our ones together, begin from ones place. Here we have 3 in ones place and 9 in ones place. If we add them together, it will be 12. Can you put 12 in ones place? No, it can't be. Just collect 10 here. Yes. Combine 10 together, then remove them, then put 1 10 instead of them. Like this. Then it will be, instead of these 10 ones, it will be 1 10 bar only. Now the rest of these ones, it will be 2. Then let's go to tens place. Here we have 10, and here we have 7 tenths, and one more 10, it will be 8 tenths. Then 8 plus 1 equals what? 9. It will be 9 tenths, like this. Okay, let's go to hundreds place here. Here we have 300 and 400. Count all together, it will be, yes, 700, like this. Then write this number in standard form. It will be 2 ones and 9 tenths and 700. This number is called 792. Let's go to our subtraction equation here. We have 560 minus 128. First of all, we have in this math, yes, draw only the bigger number. In subtraction, we draw only the bigger number, then cancel or take away from it the smaller number. Like this. We draw 5 hundredths and 6 tenths and 0 ones. We have here, we want to take away 8 from 0. Can you take away 8 from 0? No. Then we must regroup 1 tenth from here to make it ones place. Like what? If you notice before, 110 equals how many ones? Excellent, 10 ones. Then we'll exchange this 1/10 into, yes, 10 ones. Like this. Then we'll write down here, yes, 10 ones. Then take away from it 8. Can we take now 8 from 10? Yes, cancel 8 once. Then the rest will be 2 ones. Then let's go to cancel 2 from this tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you take 2 from 5? Yes, just cancel. It will be like this. The rest will be 3 tenths only. Now let's go to hundredths place. Can you take away 1 from 5? Yes, yes you can. Then cancel 100 only, then the rest will be 400. Now let's go to combine this number together to find our standard form. It will be 2 in ones, 3 in tens, and 4 in hundreds. This number is called 432. Good job. Now let's go to use our decomposing way with regrouping using money maths. How? Here we have 435 plus 381. Using our money math here, yes, draw each number in its math and using money. We have 400, 3 tenths and 5 ones. Here we have 300, 8 tenths and 1 pound only. Now let's go to start with ones place or pounds place. Here we have 1 plus 5, it will be what? Excellent, equals 6. Then let's go to combine them together, it will be 6 pounds. Now let's go to tens place. Here we have 8 and here we have 3. If we put to complete this 8 to becomes 10, it will be what? Like this. Put 8 here and to put more 2 here to form 10. This 10 tenths equals what? From you noticing before in primary 2, 10 tenths equal 100. Then we must remove this 10 to put 100 instead of them. Then it will be 100 and put the rest 10 here. Then count the hundreds place here. It will be 4 plus 3 equals, yes, 7. Put them here together in the final math like this. Then to combine this money together, it will be how many in ones place? It will be 6 in ones place and 1 in tens place and 8 in hundreds place. This number is called 816. Let's go to subtraction exercise. Here we have, yes, in our money math, we just draw in subtraction the bigger number only to cancel from it the smaller number in the next step. Here we have, let's go to draw 6 hundredths, 5 tenths, and 4 ones only. Let's begin from ones place. Can we take away 1 from 4? Yes, just cancel 1 pound and put the rest of this money here. It will be 3. Let's go to tens place. Can you take 9 from 5? No, it can't be because 9 is bigger than 5. Now let's go to hundreds place to make, yes, regrouping. If I regroup 100 to make it how many tenths? Yes, good job. 100 equals 10 tenths. It will be 10 tenths. Then go and draw 10 tenths in tens place. Now ask yourself, it will be 15 tenths. Can I take 9 from 15? Yes. So let's go and cancel 9 tenths. The rest will be how many tenths here? It will be 6 tenths. Let's go to draw it in our final, yes, final answer here. It will be 6 tenths. Now let's go to subtract. Can you take away 2 from 5 hundredths? 2 from 5 here? It will be yes, because 2 is smaller than 5. Then cancel 2 hundredths only. The rest will be 3 hundredths. Let's go to combine this number together. It will be 3 in ones place, 6 in tens place, and 3 in hundredths place. This number is called 363. Good job. Mental math way with carry up or and borrowing. We use our carry up and borrowing using our fingers or our mind or our 120 short or our number line. In our exercise here we have 379 plus 453 using our square copy. Let's go to write this horizontal into vertical way. Ones and ones together, tens and tens together, and hundreds and hundreds together. And put plus sign. Let's begin from ones place here. 9 plus 3 equals what? Put 9 in your mind and 3 in your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. It will be 12. I will ask you now, can I put 12 in ones place? No, it can't be. It can't put number bigger than 9 in one place. Here we will just put the 2 and carry up 1 on tens place. Then 1 plus 9, 1 plus 7 equals what? It will be 8. Then we will rename 7 to be 8. Then 8 plus 5 equal what? Put 8 in your mind and 5 in your fingers. After 8, yes? Excellent, it will be 13. Then ask yourself, can I put 13 in tens place? No, as we do before in ones place, we will do here in tens place. Just to put 3 and carry up 1 on hundredths place. Then 1 plus 3 equal what? Equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals what? Excellent. Put 4 in your mind and 4 in your fingers. It will be 8. This number is called 832. Good job. Now let's go to our another exercise. 630 minus 178. I want here to subtract using our square copy from this horizontal way to vertical way, and make sure that ones and ones together, tens and tens together, and 100 and 100 together, and put our sign, our subtracting sign. Here we have beginning from ones place. Can I take 8 from 0? Ask yourself, can I take away 8 from 0? No, it can't be. Now let's go to another digit. The 0 were borrowed from tens place 110 to be 10 here in ones place. Do you remember our money math and our modeling math? Yes, like it. Now let's go to cancel this 3. It will to be 2 tenths, and to put this tenths from borrowing here, it will be 10 here in ones place. Now ask yourself, can I take away 8 from 10? Yes, because 10 is bigger than 8. Now 10 minus 8 equals what? Equals 2. Count after 8 until you reach 10. The raised finger will be 2 fingers only. Now let's go here in tens place. 2 minus 7. Can I take away 7 from 2? Can you take away 7 from 2? No, it can't be, because 2 is smaller than 7. Now let's go to the next place value to borrow from it, 1. Here we have in hundredths place, if I can take away 100 from here to make it tenths. 100 equals how many tenths? Yes, 10 tenths. Then if I take away from 6 100, it will be 5 hundredths only. Then in this tenths place, it will be more 10 to this 12, it will be 12. It will be 12. Then ask yourself in this tens place, 7, can you take away 7 from 12? Yes, because 12 is more than 7. Then count in your fingers after 7 until you reach 12. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We raised just 5 fingers. Then we write down here 5. Let's go to the last place value here. We have 5 minus 1 equals what? Can I take away 1 from 5? Yes, because 5 is more than 1. Then 5 minus 1 equals 4. It will be 452. Okay, let's go. Now, after remember our all strategies from primary 2 using decomposing maths and carry up and borrowing mental maths, now let's go to use, yes, large numbers addition and subtraction. Now, in this number, we have 4 digits and 4 digits. It means that we have thousands plus thousands. Now, let's go to use our math here. 1829 plus 3453. First of all, let's check if I can combine 10 in each place of these places. In one place we have here 9, and this 9 needs 1 pound only to be 10 pounds. Then we will cancel it to put 10 with 10 pounds here. Let's go to form this. We have here 9 pounds, and we need just 1 pound more to make it 10, and the rest will be 2 pounds here. These 10 pounds will be 10. Then let's go to tens place here. We have here 5 and we have here 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7 plus 1 equals 8. Is less than 9. Now let's go to put them here in tens place like this. Now let's go to hundreds place. Can we form a 10 here? We have 8 hundreds here and more 2 hundreds, it will be 10. Let's go to combine these 10 together, and the rest will be 2 hundreds only. Then we will cancel these 10 hundreds to put how many? 1000. Then it will be 1000. Let's go to add our 1000s. It will be 1 here and 3 here. It will be 4000, and 1 more 1000. It will be 5000. Then it will be like this. Now let's go to combine these numbers together. It will be 2 ones. It will be 8 tenths and 2 hundredths and 5 thousandths. It will be 5282. Good job. Now let's go to subtraction equation. Here we have thousand minus thousands. So using our math here, we just draw the bigger number, then take away from it the smaller number. Then it will be like this: 9,100, 3 tenths, and 4 ones only. Now let's begin from ones place and check if I can or can't take away each number from the bigger number or not. Here we have 4 minus 2. Can I take away 2 minus 4 from 4? Can I take away 2 from 4? Yes, I can, because 4 is bigger than 2. Then let's go to cancel 2 ones only. The rest will be 2 ones. Now let's go to hundreds, tens place. It will be 3 minus 7. Can I take away 7 from 3? No, I can't. Then I must go to hundreds place to take away from this 100 to make it how many 10? Yes, 10 tenths. Then let's go to take these hundreds to make it 10 10, like this. Now we have how many 10 in tens place? Yes, good job. We have 13 tenths. Then ask yourself, can I take away 7 from these 13 tenths? Yes, then I can. Cancel 7 only. The rest will be how many 10? It will be 6 10. Let's go to draw them here in the final math. Now let's go to hundreds place. Here we have no hundreds. Can I take away 3 from nothing? Now ask yourself. No. Now let's go to the higher. place value to take away 1000 to make it how many hundreds? Excellent. 1000 equals 10 hundredths, like this. Now let's go and ask yourself, can I take away 7 from 10 hundredths? Yes. Now let's go to cancel 700 here, 300 here. Can I take away 3 from 10 hundredths? Yes. Then cancel 3. The rest will be, yes, 700. Now let's go to thousands place. Can I take away 4 from the rest of these thousands? Can I take 4 from 800s or 8000s? Yes, it will be like this. Cancel it. The rest will be 4000s. Now let's combine this number together. It will be 2 in ones place, 6 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, and 4 in thousands place. This number is called 4762. Good job. Now Good job. Bye.